All right. We're live. AthleticRobots. 2022 Mosaic Football 24 Cellos, number 11. Scheduled to go at 6:30. So, what we'll do is open up the cards. We'll do a review at the end of all the hits. And we will upload the video to YouTube.
All paid up.
Alright, you want to start it off?
Sure.
Don't you have to get going quick to do the listings?
Not too quick. 6:45.
Might as well though. Because it's 6:30.
Oh, we're live.
Yeah, you gotta do the lineup.
All right. Yo. Back at it with some Mosaic Cellos. I think this is number 11. Everybody's paid up, so get into the starting lineup, and then we'll get rolling right at 6:30. Let's give it a couple more minutes before we start the starting lineup. It's only 6:26.
I'll just go ahead and do it because it'll be on the recording.
Oh, true. All right. Josh Irons, you have the Ravens, Bears, Saints, and Commanders. Jeffrey White, you have the Chargers and Giants. Jeremiah Hook, you have the Cardinals, Cowboys, Lions, Texans, Colts, Vikings, Eagles.
Wow.
It's a lineup. John Belt has the Browns and Dolphins. Larry Billings has the Panthers. Travis Swain has the Bills and Bengals. Brian Creep has the Jaguars and Bucks. Alfred Swift has the Rams. Jeremy Hupel has the Broncos. Mark Lux has the Falcons. Roger Prokniak has the Packers, Raiders, and Patriots. Brandon Kirkland, you have the Titans. Brandon Edwards, you have the Steelers. Jack Padilla, you have the Niners. Christy Pedro, you have the Seahawks. Brian Sumper, you have the Jets. Clevy Clev, you have the Chiefs. And that will do it. Oh, it's already been to the featured. All right. All right, let's get this glove on and get at it there. This glove doesn't want to go on at all. All right. We got 24 cellos, 2 cello boxes. Looking for camo pinks, Genesis, honeycombs, numbered plus.
Blue fluorescent Kid Yorks.
And of course the all-elusive gold scripts.
Yeah.
That is the main hunt. We haven't got one yet. Give it another minute. Let it hit 6:30 before we start ripping into these bad boys. noises and stuff. Alrighty. So it says there's a comment, but let me refresh, make sure everybody got permissions quick. Looks like it. Huh.
You gotta push play.
Alright. Well, let's get started.
Who was doing that when that one guy, Damon Carter, was saying that he couldn't, like, his comments were being denied or something like that?
Huh. There's two it says two comments and then says no, what did it say? Hey, John. Oh, it is John Bell. They just hadn't showed up yet. That's weird.
Delayed.
Jerome Ford, Garrett Wilson. We go Jets. Green, Josh Jacobs. Pink, JJ. We go Vikes. Von Miller, T. Higgins.
You tell me to see what you want from Portland.
Oh, no. Zamir White, Alante Taylor, Green Kendrick Bourne, Pink Aiden Hutchinson debut. There you go, Lions. Chris Jones, Kyle Hamilton, Green Javante, bang. Jahan Dotson debut. Devontae Wyatt, Trayvon Walker. Green Sky Moore. There you go, Chiefs. Pink, Austin Eckler, Antoine Winfield, Darius Leonard. Silver, Quentin Nelson. Malik Willis debut. Derek Young. Breece Hall. Green Calvin Austin. Pink Tristan Wirfs. Fred Warner. Roger Staubach. And silver Zamir White. Chris Oladukin, Peter Strong, Jonathan Taylor Mosaic, Green Kyle Pitts, Pink Tom Brady, there you go, Bucks, Pink Rashad Bateman, Fedarian Mathis, Green Kyle Pitts, will to win. James Cook debut. Logan Hall, Velus Jones, Green Devonta Smith. Here you go, Eagles. That's a nice second year. Color match. Pink Drew Brees, Wes Welker, Jair Alexander. I was about to say there's 6 left. I'm used to ending it. 6 left in my half. Jaquan Brisker, Bo Melton, Turion Davis Price Mosaic, green Kyler Murray, another pink JJ. There you go, Vikes. Trey Hendrickson, Sam Howell, pink. There we go. Chris Carter, Mosaic Hall of Fame. Yeah, Jeremiah. Need to see a Jenny, a Honeycomb, a Razzle, McDazzle. Something or another here. Sam Williams, Mike Woods, green Quandre Diggs, pink Derek Carr, Tyreek Hill, Chad Johnson. John needs his first Jenny? Whew.
Is this the same John as the last break?
I don't think so. It's John Belt.
We had a John on the last break that was non-stop.
Yeah. Kenneth Walker. Go Seahawks. Skylar Thompson. Green Russell Wilson. Pink Mahomes. There we go, Chiefs. Pink Rondale Moore and George Pickens. Green Touchdown Masters Matthew Stafford. Cello's boo.
Who's that?
Tim Hutchins.
Tim.
Where's the blasters? We had a blaster to start the day. Two blasters tomorrow. Optic and Mosaic.
Yeah, tomorrow.
And then blasters next week. I think there's going to be like 2 blaster breaks per day.
I do agree that blasters are the best.
Yeah.
Out of them all.
Definitely.
I probably like Cello second, though.
Yeah, I definitely like Cellos more than the hangers. Drake Jackson, Snoop Connor, green, Breece Hall debut, pink Matt Corral debut, DJ Moore, Jalen Naylor, Mahomes Mosaic Thunder Lane.
I'd rather open hangers because they're not easy to open.
True. Need a green to go with my silver and Genesis. For sure, Greg, for sure.
Who?
Not sure.
Who are you looking for, Greg?
Now, what team you got, Greg? Need that Donruss downtown action? Oh, yeah, we'll have Donruss next weekend.
Yep.
Trayvon Walker debut. Sky Moore, Calvin Austin. Green Matt Corral. There you go, Panthers. Pink Hunter Henry, Warren Sapp, J.J. Watt. Silver Clinton Portis. Come on. There we go. All right, last cello for me. I did see a break of 15 hangers the other day and hit 7 SSP.
They are streaky. We've had a couple like that. But generally, it's not like that.
Yeah, recently, quite had the mojo.
The last one was terrible.
Yeah. Cade York, the greatest. Samori Toure. Damian Pierce, Mosaic. There you go, Texans. Green, Trey Hendrickson. Pink, Justin Fields, Justin Simmons, Eric Ezekunma. Mosaic, Chris Carter, Hall of Fame.
How are we doing on time?
6:40.
Nice. Right on time.
Yeah. All right. That'll do it for me. Hit the matte Genesis last night's break. Now the green and pink. Oh, Corral. Nice.
Oh, yeah, we did pull a Matt Corral Genesis, didn't we?
Yeah. That was you, Greg? That's what I'm talking about. And right when he asked for the green, I didn't even realize he was talking about Matt Corral. And there's pull the green Matt Corral. Nice.
Magical. All right, I'll open up the rest. All right, guys. Yeah, nothing beats that Purdy, Jenny. You're right, Tim. That was epic. That was a great feeling. So, here we go, guys. We'll get into the second box here. Appreciate all you guys. Do enjoy being able to open up the cards. And look forward to seeing you on the next break. Following this one, we'll be doing 2021 Prism Football. So, all right. Best of luck, kids. Sloppy seconds. That's right, John. Pretty messed up, though, because my son went first, so. I don't know. Excuse me. Definitely messed up. Here we go. Lions with an Aiden Hutchinson, George Karlaftis, green Zach Wilson, Panks, Tyler Lockett, James Conner, Kyle Pitts. Look like I had a hangnail of some sort, but I can't see it when the light's not on it. All right. Next. That was a good for a good laugh, though, you know. So, Breece Hall debut. Malcolm Rodriguez, Jelani Woods, green Boye Mafe, pinks Trayvon Walker debut, T.J. Hawkinson, Jermaine Johnson, Russell Wilson, green Will to Win. Yeah, Tim, that would be nice. I saw a picture of it. Is that associated with a team, the Santa Claus downtown, or does it just say Santa Claus? You know what I mean? Because, like, I wonder how we're going to assign the Santa Claus downtown if it doesn't have a team associated with it. Should be interesting. No, just a silver thing. All right. Jamison Williams, Kyer Elam, CeeDee Lamb Grind, Banks, Dalvin Cook, Tony Romo, Jim Kelly, Silver C-Mac, our randomizer nightmare, yeah. Maybe we'll have to sell the Santa Claus downtown spot. Yeah, I'll have to think about that, actually, because, I mean, that's probably worth some loot. I don't know how to sell it. Maybe sell it live as, like, its own thing. I don't know. George Pickens debut. Andrew Booth Jr., Kayvon Thibodeau, Grind, Joe Thomas. Here we go with a pink Tom Brady. There you go, Bucks. Joe Thomas, Matt Corral, Pack. Mahomes, Touchdown Masters, Lawrence Taylor, Mosaic, Hall of Fame. Yeah, the Breakers keep Santa. That'd be fine with me. I mean, I'd be alright with that. Shoot that bad boy right over to PSA and see what happens. We have had some no-pays turn out to be aight. We have got a Tom Brady downtown, a TJ Watt downtown, and a Barry Sanders downtown recently from no-pays. Ho, ho, no. Kyle Phillips, Matt Corral, Green, Jalen Waddle, Pax, Mac Jones, Lamar Jackson, Andrew Booth Jr. Green, Mahomes, Bang. Sam Howell debut. Might have a Jenny poking out there. I'm not too sure. Looks like it is. Trey McBride. Josh Pascal. Matt Ryan, Genesis. There you go, Colts. Spicy. So the first and only Genesis of the break. It was bound to come out at some point, right? I always call him the traitor because I'm a Falcons fan, but he's a Hall of Famer, obviously. Josh Allen Grain, there you go, Bills. Pax, Drew Lock, Len Dawson, Micah Parsons. All right. Sam Howell debut. Cade Otton, Sky Moore, Green, David Bell, Pinks, James Cook, Travis Kelce, Josh Pascal, Peyton Manning, Mosaic Hall of Fame. I don't know if he's under contract, John. That's a good question. You know what I wondered is when they put him on the team, like whatever happened to Jacob Eason? Like I thought he was supposed to be next in line, and I don't even know what happened to him. He just got kind of buried when they got Matt Ryan, is my guess. Malik Willis, Jeremy Ruckert, Chase Young, Grind, Pinks, Cooper Kupp, Joe Namath, Young Ho Koo, Silver, Von Miller. He's out west now? That dude isn't he he's like 6'7", throws bombs. I don't understand why he wasn't given a chance. But then again, I think that, the Colts had Ellinger, the Mr. Preseason, so maybe that did away with Eason. I don't know. Maybe he
left before then. I wasn't really paying attention, but I know that when they picked up Matt Ryan, he was obviously the starter. Kyler Gordon, Romeo Downs, Cooper Kupp, Mosaic, Sam Howell, grind debut. Ooh, Washington, that's QB1 right there. Panks, John Dotson, Amon-Ra, Daniel Bellinger, JJ, grind, touchdown masters, Mosaic. You reading in this break? Reading on this break? Oh, what teams you got, Jeremiah? I know I read them off, but I forgot. You got the Colts? Fire! All right. That's nice to hear. I really actually love hearing that because as an alternative to that is hearing people complain. So, Vikes and Colts, huh? Yeah, there you go, Jeremiah. Spice for sure. And the Cowboys. All right. Calvin Austin, Cade York, Green Juju, Panks, Marshawn Lattimore, Jameis Winston, Micah Parsons. Yeah, you're getting some Micah Parsons, aren't you? Elijah Moore, silver. Yeah, I like to collect Micah Parsons myself. He's like a generational player. I mean, guys like that do not come around too often. He's on defense, though, so it's kind of like, how long will he be at that level? Same thing with running backs. It's like, I don't know. Not many of them can have super longevity. Like Ray Lewis, he had longevity. Samari Torrey, Treylon Burks, Mosaic, Stephon Diggs, Drew Brees, Grant, Panks, Lamar. Lamar than Lamar, that's cool. Oh, the national pride than the base, that's cool. Pink, Carl Phillips, Kyler, Thunderlane, Grant. Six-year limit, yeah. Sounds about right. I remember Bob Sanders when he came out of Iowa. That's about how long he was on top of his game, but he was so good. Yeah, it's kind of sad to see players' careers cut short like that. Treylon Burks debut. This is the last pack, by the way, guys. What do you think? Another Jenny poking through here. Oh! Quay Walker, Alec Pierce, and boom! Tony Romo, Cowboys! Yeah! Jeremiah got both Jennies. Oh! Do it! You can do it! Yeah! Cool, both quarterbacks, too. Yeah, that's awesome. Treylon Burks debut Grant. Pinks. Herbie. I like that one. MVS. Darnold. So, not a bad ending there. Glad we pulled that Jenny out of the last pack. That was awesome. So I'll do a review here of the hits, and then I'll get prepared for the next break. So give me just a moment here. And at the end of the breaks for the evening, we do upload the videos to YouTube as well. All right, our base hits. Aiden Hutchinson, Kenneth Walker, Garrett Wilson. Our Mosaic hits, Herbie, Sam Howell, Josh Allen, Brady, Damian Pierce, Matt Corral, Mahomes, George Pickens, JJ, Sam Howell, Devontae Smith, Brady, Aiden Hutchinson, debut, JJ. And our hits of the break,
We came out with 2 Genesis, Matt Ryan and Tony Romo. Colts and Cowboys. Jeremiah Hook. Yeah, you can do it. I tell you one day you can do it today. Today's your day. You can do it today. You know what I'm saying? All right, kids. That's all I got. Thank you all very much. Like I say, I really do appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one.